disappointed sound boy, calling in the dance soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.
Hey, what a go on YouTube? I am Jimmy Sequence. We're on our way to Belgrade Mother's Day. You know, the annual Mother's Day event for Big Sound. We're probably 5 minutes from the venue, from the park, I should say. It's me and Lexus right there in his car in the front, Byron and Lexus up front. I am riding alone today, but yeah, I'm just minutes from the park, so I'll show you guys what is going on once I get there. So yeah, this is Belgrades out in the boondocks, and you don't know, the Mother's Day thing is live, big thing. So for Big Sound, I think one of the sound I've never heard. I know Majesty is there. I know True Vibe. I think Shocking is there, but I haven't heard the other sound. I don't remember the name, but and we'll be there in a few minutes, so you guys will see when I see. See? Yeah. Pulling up on the scene. See what they're going. Okay, yeah, Pure Vibe is out here too. So Pure Vibes is already set up, it seems. Yeah. I know that's Majesty right there. Pure Vibe over there. Yeah. Father Alex, yep, Byron Sequence.
Just touched down in the place, you know. They're on the ground.
Yeah.
One man alone run things. No matter who you pray to, God alone run things.
God alone, every time.
Make sure that all of the sound them, see them birth certificate.
Majesty in the building.
What, Jimmy?
I'm there.
Ain't no school zone, Jimmy.
Ain't no school zone?
I'm driving like you're in the school zone, man.
To me. Majesty in the building. Yeah.
Hey, the man ain't no licking thing, man. Stop it.
Pure Vibe in the building.
Big up yourself, Sequence of the house, Jimmy. Don't know, say, alright, the man, we are pink today. Hey,
respect.
Mother's Day, boss, man. You come out of pink, so you wear pink.
True Vibes in the building.
Again. Go on.
Big up.
Respect.
You're done, set up already. Oh, are you first get your done?
Hell yeah, for 2 o'clock this morning.
We know, man. So, this is True Vibe right here. This 8 double 21s, and that is Pure Vibe over here, and it is 8 double 18s, I suppose. Pure Vibe truck, nice and crispy. Good luck. Yeah, let me see.
I have all the other so I have to watch my news. You know what I mean by that? No, I'm not talk to you. I'm not talk to man, certain man.
Yeah.
We take a shot, let me go there.
Oh, yeah, I say yeah.
You book up 1 million for
Hold on, Lion.
Which part? My cousin? Yeah.
play our party and she decorate the place.
Yeah. I'm going to walk around a little bit. Magnus Force 24. Oh, that's the road. This is Junior. Magnus Force, the promoter for the event. Yes, Junior.
Yeah, man. Live and direct, you know.
Yeah, man.
Magnus Force in the house, you know.
Enough respect.
Yeah.
I'll check back if you're more
Yes.
still. So you know how the park set. Enough things are going on all the while. So you have Derek G over here. And Glenn. Derek G. Yeah, I see. We're there. How you doing, madam?
We're there.
We're there.
Over there, I'm still I watch it there. I watch you. Yeah, I say, yo, I see all me to fly advertising.
Me do it, me advertise everything.
Yeah, man.
That's how it go. So everything cool?
Yeah, man, we're there. I try to set up a capture. You know, we always a cook and eat and
Yeah, me I say. Me I come chicken and I cook fish.
yeah, man, we'll go to the cook.
I come get fish, you know.
Good back to shade and all that shit.
Yeah. Glenn. Yeah, I say. You're up on the ground.
Yeah, man, we're there. Don't know, say you know.
Yeah? So Glenn, trucks on the on the ground every year. You use regular amplifiers in here, right? It's regular amplifiers you use, right?
Yeah.
You don't have no car thing in there. You don't have no car thing inside there, just regular amp, right?
Amps.
Okay. What kind of amp you use?
I don't remember what it is. We have a bearing job up there. Take it out because one side something not work.
Oh, so yeah.
I use one mid up there.
Oh, okay.
50-50 up there.
50-50, QC 50-50 up here the mid range?
50-50 up there, the speaker. We
Oh,
have to go switch here back, we don't know yet.
okay.
Yeah, yes. Don't know yet. You.
That's the boss.
You're welcome, sir. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, man. Yeah, great, man. I'll come back when you start. Yeah, man. Yeah. You know, so one of my cousins supposed to come out and come do a thing still.
Alright, video man, alright, video man, alright.
Talk to me about what I'm going to so. Are
Yeah,
you
right now.
a thing
We
so?
have the goat there, you have the curry goat there right now. Yeah, curry goat
Curry
ready.
goat look
Yeah,
like
it might
it's
come
all
on.
ready.
Yeah, it's all ready. And we have the corn already.
Can.
Yeah.
Cool.
We have the jerk chicken too ready too.
Wow.
On fire.
Nice.
I get
nice,
ready
nice.
up. Yeah.
Never know say you're a chef road boy.
Yeah, well. I'm not just cook McDonald's up a lakes, you know.
Me never know.
Yeah, man, I just cook the run for man. Can't man no chef.
So what else you have a going? So you have the corn, the curry goat, jerk
Yeah, we have
chicken.
the soup over there so already and we have the jerk chicken.
As soon as the soup ready, I want one, you know.
Yeah, alright. Leather skin soup, leather soup.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah, man, as soon as it's ready, I want the first one.
Yeah, man, alright.
Yeah.
Where's that leather skin soup?
The leather skin soup. I tell them I want the first one. I want the very first leather soup.
Sugar stock now use make
In a matter.
You want it, eh?
But I still want it. I'm not big work in a tongue, make it.
I play the fifth.
Most man go for one there.
You know? I want some soup. I think maybe little work in a tongue, they have a nice soup.
Nobody stammer. When you talk about lick, you lick for your one or somebody else one?
My lip and talk. We talk straight out.
You talk shit.
You sure say another lip you talk about me, Jay?
Yeah, my virgin, really. You did good? Yeah, man, God alone run things, you know, no matter who you pray to.
Pure vibe.
Yes,
bro.
Mr. Sequence.
Malone.
Fast man, them said them have bury me today.
No berry now go on at them place,
Very
man.
not go on, man. I just
Them place are just music I play.
Eh?
You know that.
I joke, man. If you don't talk shit, sitting right, you know. You know, so me the only one that talk the most shit about you.
Yeah, the original shit talker.
Hey, what you say it's a small shit. What you say it's a small shit, the shit come out of my mouth.
You say you talk
Sorry, sir, I don't mean to
shit.
curse on your record. I don't mean to do that to you.
Yeah, man, you're good, man.
Huh? Talk to me, what you say?
You know they're on the concrete, man.
So you hide for this so.
How may I do what?
You ever turn the phone that so round there so. that
No,
you can
man.
see. You have put play beer in it so.
I know him a play. I'm a nice
See where
selector.
to play there.
Select out this song.
See where to play the bar.
You need something to put on the wheel road, boy.
Well, me I go catch up that in a few, you know. Me just stuck here stuff, you know.
Mm.
You see?
So that's a purified machine.
A machine this thing or hard to me not
Yeah, the
know.
machine man.
A machine. Amen.
All them things they go on me, Jay.
Yeah, man, purified machine. With the CVR, you
Like
don't
how
know.
the
CVR, Adma.
arms are so black. Yellow, blue arms. Give me black one them man.
You see? That's why all of the girls want me deal with, you know. They have to
black.
blacker than me. They're not blacker than me when I want them. Black and shine. Yeah, and if they're not shine,
No man, don't do like two boys, put some power soft.
no, you're in them soft. Oh, man.
Give me that one there, man.
Again, true vibe, right? That's all.
Yo, huh?
Open the amp up, let me see. Let me show the amp. I know what they look like.
Be a power soft.
I know what they look like, but I want to show them on the camera. You don't know.
Be a soft.
True vibe out there every year.
Look how pretty. Every year same sitting.
Yeah. So the machine. 2 of the 80, 6 of them on the bottom. And power soft all the way. Where are you supposed to play the 21 them today? 80.
21, power soft and Adma.
Power soft and Adma. Adma, you might be 80, 6 of them.
The bad one them.
Huh?
Yeah.
You have them long time, man. I know nothing.
Me
New.
want them like brand new.
Oh, brand new is new.
Battery them now. Battery
You
them
finished?
now.
You finished?
Every time we go up a lot.
Yeah, man, I'm good. Alright. So Majesty sound on the ground. What happened to the rest of man them star? I just you and the light? With TJ?
Excuse vacation.
But I'm gonna have to give him a demerit.
You know.
You're probably better off I come up here, so, and then we just swing it over.
Majesty. The Zan box are the neatest box them on the ground.
Not even start yet.
Sure, if I bring extra box. So they just stay in there, okay.
Go on, and I put the tweeter box between them.
Pure vibe sound look neat, same way, you know.
How sound that
The car, the van sound. The van song.
The rich is getting richer every day, and the little that the poor man got, it shall be taken away. Do you hear what I say? Yeah, hear what I say. The man who worships silver and gold shall surely, surely, surely lose his own soul, then fade away. One who's always acting smart and don't carry no love in his heart shall fade away. God is here and there and everywhere, and he knows when you play the game unfair. So people beware, or else you fade away. Hey, beware, and then you fade away. You gotta fade, gotta fade, gotta fade now. Getting richer every day, and the little that the poor man got, it shall be taken away. Do you hear what I say? Hear what I say? One who's always acting smart and forgetting to carry love in his heart shall fade away.
That go on and off. Majesty setting up. Pure vibe wiring up.
You already done?
Get no rest for the last week, I pussy.
Gotta work. What do you think the shit gonna do in Jamaica? 7 days a week, this shit won't do.
In Jamaica, you don't need nobody, man. Everybody in Jamaica climb the Spider-Man in Jamaica, man. Me have maintenance crew down there with it on the soul. Time to blow. Shit. Me have whip on 16 more dub, 16 more speaker. Me have 8 more than Bill. Long time, but the speaker they can't get them. So that me away from. Fuck. Why?
So I bring 16 W18 to Jamaica.
Double 21.
Double 21.
And 16 top end.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And I like how they stay. I think.
You mean you think it's out tip over? No, man, good. Man. It's good, man. Gotta box them deep.
Yeah. Majesty, we have a big problem. You need to talk to your woman about that if you need to do Bill. No, that's not a problem. I would not talk to a guy like that. That's the kind of guy. I like my berry extremely dark, so it wouldn't work. What's the problem? No, just big, you don't have this one, you have big camera. I got big camera. Yeah, I mean, you have no small to big. I doubt it. Hold on, let me double check this, since I don't really use the small ones again. Yeah, my this one, but everything is down.
Wazi with the generator. Wazi.
Go on, brother.
Yes.
In another place.
In another place. Yeah, well, it's an hour drive, bro. Well, it's 100K.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want the big boys, alright. 100K should do it.
What's the outside the water?
Eh?
Outside the hole of your water.
I know you talk to man in the water.
Any one of them can use.
Hey,
Yeah.
where the front hole or back hole?
Top hole and lower hole.
Or you can enter the front from the back.
Every time that's what they color it. What the maroon color?
Just to call that black,
Black. Okay.
blue, and red. This is neutral and ground.
So them two, yeah.
Yeah.
So this is red and this is black.
Yeah, red, black, blue.
So what's it?
No, red, blue, black. Yeah.
Red, blue.
It don't really matter. Yeah.
Hold on. Tell me again.
Just go black,
Black, yes, sir.
blue,
And red.
and red.
That one I never use, you know. Virgin this.
You know
Right,
what
yeah.
I'm saying? I'm telling them. Pay attention to what I'm saying. And then color is different.
No, I'm gonna make him plug it in.
You know
Anything
how to plug it? What is the name of the kid there? It's a black, right?
You said that I red, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, this is
Black. Yeah, black.
Well, no matter anyway. Then
Yeah, it don't really matter, but
the trend no matter.
yeah, black, blue, red.
So you're not going to the pink then? Left the pink alone.
Pink and the gold people.
No, man, yeah, put it on the yellow one. Put it on the yellow one, man.
Yeah,
Put the red
Yellow
for
one,
the yellow.
yeah.
Oh, you read that yellow? Oh. Because him run this for F up enough. I don't want to cut my bad.
Not on a Sunday, right?
Oh, study on my mother day, make a call her and keep her at it. Yeah, she will beat me, you know.
Well, we don't send out the one of my texts.
And I beat you. And I beat you again. I didn't get tomorrow.
There's nothing wrong with that, my belly too big. Yes, sir, I learned to plug in wire, you know what I say? Yeah, try a thing, my boss.
Yeah, try a thing.
Yeah.
And then nothing try, nothing done.
Yeah. Something try, something done, right? Yes,
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
Yeah, I think we're ready. Almost. Just have to close up a couple little things, you know what I say?
Yeah.
Get me rum, I get back, I drink a half shot of rum now. Daddy, come here for 1 minute there, papi, please. Hey.
Wow.
One gangster.
Majesty sound again.
2 years already. What that? What about yours, Bill Amp, man? Me give about 5 years ago.
I'm still sitting there, man.
Oh, you can't make Bill one?
Nah,
You make all sorts of shit.
Yeah, but you don't want to do that. That's too much work to try to rebuild that.
No,
You wanna
Bill
sing?
one your own.
Huh? Oh, another amplifier?
Nah, I got
How did I use that?
I got rid of the
Yeah, I know. I remember you told me the last time we saw you. You know, say, I'm fucking my fuck with you. I know, exactly. That's what it is.
entertaining the conversation.
In the back of your mind, like, fuck this nigga.
I know, he's like, fun that shit bad.
Well, you could. Yeah, man. You be in all your right.
Soldier!
Oh, I'm sorry, man. What?
Good to see him, man. Boy, what the hell you drinking, man?
I'm drinking.
Yeah?
Yeah, we can't do about that.
Don't go on like you never drink that before.
No.
Go on, you go like you never tasted before. No, man, me drink it enough, boss. No. If you never tasted before, that means I'm an asshole, baby. An asshole you come from.
He said, don't run from it. Sometimes you just have to turn around and face it.
You have to face up the things, right?
Yeah, man.
You hear that, doctor? One man up here, face up some
Big sound this.
Fear big sound.
Yeah, not one big sound.
What it take to build a sound and work a sound and handle a sound
This is
system.
just props.
This ain't no powered speaker,
He just got to face it.
real sound system. Like.
Yeah.
It's just
I did
show.
that part, didn't you?
Edit that part. No, hell no. You said it.
Shit I was talking the last time.
You said it, bro.
Talking.
You can't say it unless you want it to be on the video.
Too much talking, but no.
The last thing we did at the warehouse,
Yeah.
a man say a thing, you know, and me there. Bex say he never put it on video. When we are set up, me not say it because the video I roll right now. We tell you later.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, give me a hand with the console there.
80, 60 all the way over here.
We'll knock this out and then come down.
Yeah, man. on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Three exports. Then you go close the tree at that. Four.
Shocking on his way.
Alright, so I guess if you want to do anything, I mean, everything over here is pretty much on me. Unless you want to run speed while I'm for everything. Reggie! No man, what about with that man? What? Oh. That's the white boy sauce, you know what I'm saying? What's you know what I'm talking about? You gotta take the base out of your voice. Go back on the board if you want to. Yeah. Because we are coming here. You have a bungee? You have a bungee card? Yeah? A bungee card will wrap right around the tree there, so now you're good.
So confused that I don't wanna lose. No. But this feeling's got me getting tired. And I can't.
Shocking still with you.
Sometimes I wanna run.
Shocking, the one-man show. Are you alone at work? Ah, okay.
Sequence. Think we are going to jump another column down, sir.
Yeah? That would be nice.
Feeling is blowing my mind.
Red light. May I speak to the observer? Yeah, he's Red light. May I speak to the observer? Yeah, he's busy.
Machine! Machine!
Yo, play the bass line.
Machine! Machine in the place.
Loving
Machine up.
Yard back. Oi! You tell Tracy about that.
Sounds good, yo. Sounds good.
Yeah, man.
It's easy because you're beautiful. Every day of my life is filled with loving you.
Check 1, 2. Yeah. Machine upon the ground, man. Majesty. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Machine upon the ground. Yeah. Father David, big up yourself. Kitchen up and gunning and the soup gunning. Alright? So ready, cow foot and cow skin, you name it. You have to win. Yeah. Majesty sound upon the ground, man. Yeah. Yeah. Anything else is uncivilized. Drop it. Reggae. I will say reggae. Your voice, your one. You see, if you're pregnant, please stay about 200 feet from the sound here today. Yes, indeed. Bullseye. That one you name the creeper. You know about it already. They creep up and bust out your face already, dog.
Where I come from? I come from Brooklyn.
Thank you.
Cause by the ground.
Again, I want big up every mothers in the house. I want big up all of the sound man there. You see if you get a test right now.
You don't have nothing ready yet.
And you know your thing up. Just do your housekeeping.
Swim.
I want all the box them. Strap up. I know all the wire and all the equipment then. Pack up. See? So, right now, Majesty touch the ground.
Curry chicken.
And we know
What else you have ready?
it's a plan. No man is a diet. Pure vibes. Touch the ground.
Shrimp.
Just do some house cleaning.
What else you guys gonna have?
You might wait for
Jerk
the
chicken, jerk
start and
pork,
stuff to come through the gate.
chicken wings.
I'm gonna tell you something and them so right now. Vehicle.
What's up? And I come late though. How come I come so late?
The freeway clear. See? Because you know it goes.
See everybody
In case of emergency, we want to make sure it's everything that's up.
I keep saying these say they coming, but I don't know where they at.
We would have been
Like I said, the super shot and the hot.
for 6 o'clock.
Alright?
And then my dad
So right now,
that we don't have to rush. Comes to 8:39.
well, here,
We got
pan.
here like around 9:30.
Yellow.
So this are your pops.
So why you sleep
How you doing, son?
look like you can't wake.
Say hi to the camera.
What do you mean, pan? Pure.
Alright, I'll check back with y'all.
Alright.
Don't stool throw now.
Give me a piece of cake. I'm
Yo,
gonna do that.
pure vibe sound. I want
Give
to
me the
them
size of
boy.
the cake.
Hold tight, put
I
them
made
from
it.
probation.
Yeah?
Yes.
How much?
5. Let me know how it tastes.
Yeah.
No change or no?
I'll leave it to you later.
It's freezing out here.
I know.
I text Sean. I know that ain't going nowhere. He's over. I said he might come to the house. I said no.
Pure vibe song.
We're all sensitive people. We're so
Not like I am from here, Jimmy, man. Oh, yeah, you see from here, Bridget. But you come to my plan.
since we got
Mr. Lover Lover. Girl. Mr. Lover Lover.
Well, I'm gonna do it, guys. True vibe song.
Where I do? Where I do?
Sound your name, Yard Vibe. Yo, Ronnie, which part Yard Vibe comes from?
Okay, no.
What Miles? Oh, okay.
B.I.
Oh, okay. Playing right now, Shocking, still setting up.
From the darkest of black to the lightest of brown. Welcome. 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 From the darkest of black to the lightest of brown. Welcome. Family and bright this time around. Welcome. Yes, we only want to give us a positive sound. Welcome. Let us build strong foundations here on solid ground. Welcome. I say welcome. From the darkest of black to the lightest of brown. Welcome. Surrounded by people with beautiful smile, giving you welcome.
Let me hear you going over this already. Just travel from Jamaica, don't care no breadfruit and no fried fish. That's why custom all you know. Yeah, me say. So anyway, let me hear you going on with.
So me see your father Ashley, you may see your Reggae flames.
Everybody love the same controller. Everybody love the DR and D2 controller.
Can't go further than that. That's a big
Talking to stuff.
Just when I thought I was over you, yeah. It's just when I thought I could stand on my own. Oh baby, those memories come crashing through, and I just can't go on without you. On my own, I try to make the best of things alone. I've done everything I can to ease the pain, but only you rain. I just can't live without you. I got
Check. One. Check.
you, yeah. It's just when I thought I could stand on my own. Oh baby, those memories come crashing through, and I just can't go on without you. Oh yes, here I am. Here I am. Oh yeah. Here I am. Playing with those memories again. And just when I thought time has set me free, now I'm the man with a suckling. I came with a mother doctor, keep listening. Now I'm the man with a suckling.
Check.
I came with a mother doctor,
Check
keep
one.
listening.
Check one.
Give it up. No sweet.
Check one. Balance that kind of a hiccup on it. Hollow one. You understand? Yeah. Fully grown. Yeah. Planty, clarty. Yo!
No.
We are getting together, man. Are they at the
Love vibes. Big up on the yourself.
How you mean?
Alright, so what off you know? What off it? Shocking ready? Alright, so if Shocking ready, we're Shocking there. Play something now if you're ready. You remember the big one where the people ever talk about June the 7th 1420 West 10th Street, Riviera Beach. The ice cream sound system showcase. Who come check it out, you know what I say? Father Majesty, I got there. Young jugglers, I got there. Love vibes, I got there. Yeah. Margaret Force 24, I got there. And all about the sound, I got there. So I big up Father Acid and the whole family in other place. Remember the 23rd, yeah, the month here, a Lady Rosie birthday. I say, I know if you come out. I say at the banquet hall. I say at the return of DJ Lennox. I say, Martel the mixer. I say, Mama Boy. I say, ex-squad the Marco. I say, executive. So to come out, the place to be 7801 Northwest 5th Street Plantation. I remember, sound system roll call in a Lauder Hill. Luxurious ballroom. 1st of June. Wanna come check it out. Whole heap of bad sound in the place. Alright? So go and check out the kitchen and the thing. Father Snappy, where the family Radcliffe was gone. Father Snappy, where the family restaurant name. Missy Cake. Jerking and Missy big up on the damn self. And our boot down there, so our family boat. Let's check it out. And you see that boat here, say Magnet 24. $5 donation. Drink anything, gonna want drink. Yeah, me I say. And we have Jerry and nephew and a long-term disability family. Lay down, turn up or drop dead. And who make the rum? We have that. Sham Sham, big up yourself. Anything on the wall, Sham Sham for do. Wedding. He also pressure clean on the house too. He do everything. Sham Sham, big up on yourself. You're there. Grab a card. Right now, Majesty, the number to call is 876-349-8377. That if you're there Jamaica, and if you're there foreign, and you're poor, and you want a good audio system, 954-579-7957. Shocking vibes, shocking studio. You ready? Alright. Father Dave, you're so brave. He had to shot it above the cloud. He loud. Acid, pick up your damn self. Yeah. Yeah, feel that.
something's gonna be. What is the matter? Ain't and northern, cause I'd like to go back to my little mother, cause I see the danger in your eyes. Girl, I know what you're thinking. Maybe you are needy, maybe you are lonely, something is the matter, 'cause I see the danger in your eyes, telling me something's gonna be. What is the matter? Ain't you know? 'Cause I'd like to go back to where they belong. I see the danger in your eyes, telling me, oh Lord, something's gonna be. Darling, keep believing, loving you and being with you, that's all I know. So don't you try to pretend that it isn't so. Darling, I'm not blind. Don't make up your mind. There's no better time. Oh, the night is over. I wanna give my love to you. I would like to be alone with you, doing the things that true lovers do. The night is young and the feeling is new. Let's break away from out of view. Let's do this before it's over. We've got to get through this before it's over. Baby, baby, before the night is over, I wanna give my love to you. I'm standing in the street alone, thinking of things I'd like to do to you. Wishing it up and you want me to. And when we are through, we will start to move. Let's do this before it's over. We've got to get through this before it's over. Let's do it now, baby. Before the night is over, baby, 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 making love to you is all I'm thinking of. Holding you and loving you, that's what I need to make me feel so right. Baby, baby, let me take you through the night. Baby, will you make me feel so right?
None of them don't like it. Can't do it like that, baby.
And then you start
When you warm up, it's not play harder than that.
before the night is over.
No, but that for me, no play nothing to go on. If fucking play like that, there is a day back flat. Wait till the second round. Because I saw them play harder than that. They might play harder than that. Second round, Talking can be harder than that. Talking a big song. Talking a big song. And my wolf amplifier, I need no more amplifier. I wolf a power in my play. Wolf a power that man.
Before it's over, come on, let's do it.
You can hear it.
I hear it.
is over. Gotta get close to you before the night is over. Before it's over. Come on, baby, let's do it. And then we start all over again.
You get a short notice to play some song for Mama, yeah. You hear me? Right there, so. Kick it like a ball. Bam, 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 bam. Just what you mean to me. Here in my heart.
But you can't go full throttle, you know. As long as the sound and this start, full throttle is allowed, see?
Your love is all I'll ever need. Yeah. Holding you close through the night. I need. What do you advise, South Panagrove? Represent Southwest Florida 239-941 Fort Myers, Fort Charlotte. Look in your eyes, and there I see what happiness really means. The love that we share, I tell you, makes life so sweet. Together we're all isolated. I'm a sitting around. I promise to love faithfully. You're all I need. Here and now, I vow to be one with you. For the mothers them. Ronald. When I look in your eyes, I tell you, there I see all that a love should really be, and I need you more and more each day. Sir, I don't wanna lose you. I could never make it Come on. I am a man who will fight for your right. I'll be the hero, your dream.
Give me two curry chicken.
One shot, you call him dog.
Sananco, you know the Sananco. The Sananco come down and come up man. Sananco.
We should have the place still.
We play over there 2 years.
Yeah, man. Next year, we're not there.
Come out next year.
Yeah, man. Next year, we're there. Love them setting there.
Well, you want to come more?
Yeah, man. I never tell me say no people no comment.
Ram. That was 6 o'clock. Ram. Shocking. Majesty, man. Majesty.
Big one over there.
That one there. You say Majesty?
Yeah.
The second set box of Majesty.
Each zone have one column.
One of them have 8W18. That's 2 columns.
Normally have 2 columns.
Alright, so every zone that comes have to ring 2 columns.
Yeah. It's big enough, so you want
You have to ring 2 columns. Then I bring no small zone. That means a 5, man. Every year, multiple years. That chicken look good.
Yeah, man. You know, man. Straight from the heart, man. Straight from the setting. All time.
I'm going to get some pork looking more. Yeah, man. Pork. How much for that, my friend?
Curry chicken is 24, but you get 2, right? Yeah.
How much? And take your $5.
Okay. You how much? 24,
$10.
29.
No. No. Yeah. $10. $10.
Okay, you know my brain is a little fried, okay?
Alright, boss. Coming here with the tour and here with the team. Sean not driving the best team back there. Mr. Magnet himself. Congo. Chicken look good, Congo.
I'm multitask, you know. Select one sound, no chicken, anything you want me to make, I can do it.
Chef it up.
Listen.
ice cream song, we telling them more about that. Touchdown.
Check. On the test and check 1, 2, 3. Majesty. Up a little bit more with the talk of phone. Just a little bit. 1.5 dB. Check it 1, 2, 3. Check. Yeah. Not me a talk about. I know my sound, you know. So right about now, massive. You advise, bring up on yourself. I like that juggling there. You understand? Nice juggling. Everything good. So right now, we're going to do something different. Because far me I come from and tomorrow I work in the next couple of hours. Big up Mr. Lexus, big up yourself. Everything good, everything I work. Big up all the ladies, them in the park right now. Big up behind themselves. See, Bashman, big up yourself. From them time there. Right now, Chasey, big up yourself. When I left out people, you know, who know that, over name in the call, big up yourself. Big up your sound man there. But right now, it's a Mother's Day event. Majesty, I like how the mic sound does. Look a bit of the eyes come down, look a bit farther, because I know you know about your sound, you know. The microphone, M-I-C. You cannot change the dictionary and the word where it's spelled. M-I-C, microphone. I'm not talking about Shirley, I'm talking about microphone. Don't do me that. Right now, let's go.
I used to think that I wasn't fine enough, and I used to
Majesty sound me I play for another boy can't bad me up, you know.
but I won't waste my time trying to figure out why you playing games.
Beer vibes are trouble, you know.
And I can't believe you hurting me. I met your girl, what a difference. What you see in her, you ain't seen in me. But I guess it was all just make believe. Oh, love, never knew what I was missing, but I knew once we start kissing, I found. We got off the street, went through and thought we made it through the storm. I really want you to realize, I really want to put you on. I've been searching for someone to
I see now we are dealing. Tell that Majesty base now we are dealing.
be my inspiration.
Level!
Real love that I need. I'll search for a real
Look at Father was in the building. Big sound play like big sound, yeah?
We got off the street, went through and thought we made it through the storm. I really want you to realize, I really want to put you on. I've been searching for someone to satisfy my every need. Won't you be my inspiration? Be the real love that I need. Real love. I'm searching for a real love. Someone that I want.
Big sound play like big sound, yeah? And this is one big sound. Every sound out here, big sound. Where you see that sound here? It's the Mother's Day weekend. Let's go. Ready? Level Majesty, level. Level Majesty baseline, I see. Let it go. What is the sequence I
just a son, man. One more. Juggle. It's a Mother's Day weekend. How much is the son to that? Come on, the machine.
And I'm going to go and you have plenty of it. Yeah, one girl, one to make one. One of them, I'm going to and I told my deal.
You could have carried one car store now. Which car store is it?
You want a gun, man?
This is one car store. I don't remember how it was.
Ladies. When somebody love you, man, I'm play one of the biggest songs in America right now.
It's a fuel fest. It's a fuel fest, I believe. You see that one gas, one big gas.
It's a Mother's Day weekend. To all the mothers, all the ladies in the building. We haven't talked about it in this right now. Love you, sir. Somebody wants you. Miss Majesty, you ready? Robinson. 15 minutes. Juggling machine, yeah, man. It's your Mother's Day. All the ladies in the building right now. Wait, juggling machine. All the mothers from right now. Ladies and Miriam. I'm gonna tell you what the ladies them love me now. Machine man, this is second. You see what the girl that is singing? It's the Mother's Day weekend, 15 minutes. Go up yourself a little bit. Nah, rush us up here. 15 minutes Alexis, right? 5 minutes left. Well, I know. Mother's Day, them song you have to play, man. There's some banana woman, so them not gonna like them song here. have it, I'm not wait. Juggling machine, you.
Engineer.
What the really good? Look at some of New York people in Bronx, Brooklyn, Queens. I'm Florida doing that, so look up yourself.
Everybody sing, everybody dance. Lose yourself in wild romance.
What else there? What's up? Fiesta. Yeah, vibes, look up yourself.
Come on and sing along.
Two vibes, look up yourself. Hold on, Austin. But now drink that something there, though.
Come on and sing along.
Like this, Mr. But I like how you spell, but now drink it. All night. Let me know, Mr. Lexus. Everybody know Mr. Lexus when they are ballad. People never know, so Mr. Lexus used to wear jerry curls and break dance. He get too tall and also he get lazy. Show where you go. Up and so look at me. Go. Shuffle that machine, man. Love it. Play a Majesty sound, I want them. Go. Two step, one step. Hey. Up and so. You gotta get up. 5 minutes me up left. Roll out. Rush, man. 5 minutes me up left. Go. Jump. Hey. It's a Mother's Day weekend. A Majesty show. What do you feel like? Ready? What up, Mr. Alex? We have 3 minutes left, right? Cheers. Let's go. Punchline. Here, Chano. Hey, Nadia. When them song your mother road, peer vibes never have sound. When them song you play them time in road. Peer vibes. Level up.
It feels like the world is on your shoulders, and all of the madness has got you going crazy.
2 more minutes.
Time to get out, step out into the street, where all of the action is right there at your feet. I know a place where we can dance all night away underneath the electric stars. Just come with me and we can shake your blues right.
Let's go. So that's why we know the sound never build when them sound they come out, you know. Now baseline it. What? Ladies, you ready? What that song you name? Baby! One more to go. Miss Alex, one more. Ladies, let's go. It's a Mother's Day weekend. What the ladies are? Go, go, go. Right now. Peace. Big sound play like big sound.
Yeah.
At Jamaica I come from. One more father, one more. Last one this. At Jamaica I'm born and grow. I'm gonna give up my culture for nobody.
Yeah.
Woman to me think the last song. You ready? Juggling machine, man. What I know? You can't get the big sound of a play and a lame up a thing, yeah, man? I'll be a big sound up on the ground. One! The song that done it, listen.
Remember the song used to make you rock away. Those were the days when love used to rain. We can't stop till the songs they play. We can come again, do it just the same.
What we are talking about?
Now I feel we in such a golden time anymore. Now there's only any safe place left to go. Someone's bound to come.
Punchline I move.
Remember the songs used to make you rock away. Those were the days.
Peace. When we play sound, we don't play sound like Yankee sound. We take out bass, put in bass, and make the sound bubble. Mr. Alex.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself.
Broken-hearted sound boy, toiling in the dance soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.